Hello students, today we are going to learn exercise 13.2 second question, and in this question we have been said simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. But before we start our first question, we need to understand some basic rule for that. Suppose we are given a question like this: 5 raised to the power 4 upon 5 raised to the power 2. It means it is in divisional situation. Means we can write it like this: 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 2. And when it is written like this, it means we can write it like this: 5 raised to the power 4 minus 2, and the answer will be 5 raised to the power 4. So whenever we are given a situation like this, we will have to minus the powers. Okay, let us take some other example. If we have a situation like this: 6 raised to the power 7 and 5 raised to the power 8 upon 6 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 2. In this situation, these numbers are in divisional form. So we will write them like this: 6 raised to the power 7, and this power will go up in minus 6 raised to the power, and 5 raised to the power 8 minus 2. 6 raised to the power 7 minus 3, 4. 5 raised to the power 8 minus 2, 6. So it will be our answer. Always remember one thing: if the power of any number is 0, then the answer will be 1. Suppose if you have power 5 raised to the power 0, answer will be 1. 6 raised to the power 0, answer will be 1. So this is an important thing. Okay. Now take question number 1. In this question, this number, and this number, all three numbers are in the simplest form. But this number and this number is not in the simplest form. So first of all, we will change these numbers into simplest form. This way: 2 raised to the power 3, 3 raised to the power 4, 4, 2 raised to the power 2. Means we can write 4 in this form: 2 raised to the power 2. Now 3 and 32, it can be written like this: 2 raised to the power 5. Why? If you take out the factors of 32, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4 5. Here 2 is coming 5 times. So we can write 32 as 2 raised to the power 5. Now we can write it like this: 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 raised to the power 2. 3 plus 2 into 3 raised to the power 4. It will remain same. Now 2 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power 4. 3 into 2 raised to the power 5. Now since they are in divisional form, so we can write them like this: 2 raised to the power 5 minus 5, 3 raised to the power 4. Here there is no power, means there is power 1. So it will be written like this. Now 2 raised to the power 0 and 3 raised to the power 3. And what does it mean? It means 1, and if you multiply them, answer is 3 raised to the power 3. So this is the answer of this question. Now take question number 2. In this question we have a power of a power. So first of all we will multiply the powers. 2 3s are 6. 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Since there is a multiplication sign, so we will add the powers. 5 raised to the power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 raised to the power 7, and 5 raised to the power 10 divided by 5 raised to the power 7. Since there is division sign, so we will minus the powers. 5 raised to the power 10 minus 7, and the answer is 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so this is the answer. Now take question number 3. In this question, bases are not same. Here the base is 5 and here the base is 25. So first of all we will make the base same. We can write 25 in this form. 5 raised to the power 2 and the power of 4 will be like this. 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, so now multiply the powers. 2 into 4. Now 2 4s are 8. 5 raised to the power 3. Now since there is divisional sign, so we will minus the powers. 8 minus 3 and 5 raised to the power 5. So this is the answer. Number 4. In this question also, these numbers are in the simplest form. This is also in simplest form, but 21 is not in the simplest form. So first of all we will make this number in the simplest form like this. 3 into 7 raised to the power 2 into 11 raised to the power 8. What we can write to 21? We can write it like this. 3 7s are 21. 11 raised to the power 3. It will remain same. Now all the numbers are in the simplest form and they are in divisional form also. So we can write them like this. 3 power is 1 and here is also power is 1. Means 1 minus 1 into 7 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 1 means minus 1. 11 raised to the power 8 and 11 raised to the power 3 means minus 3. So 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, and when the power is 1 there is no need to write it. 11 raised to the power 5, and we know if a number is having the power 0, the answer will be 1. So it will become 1 and it will remain same. Now 7 ones are 7 and 11 raised to the power 5. This is the final answer. Now take question number 5. It is a very simple question because all the numbers in this question are already in the simplest form. So 3 raised to the power 7. Here is the multiplication sign, so we will add the powers. 4 plus 3, 3 raised to the power 7. It will also become 3 raised to the power 7. So we can write it like this. 3 raised to the power 7 minus 7 means 3 raised to the power 0, and when the power is 0, answer is 1. So this is the answer. Now we are taking 3 questions together. Question number 6, 7 and 8, because all 3 questions are same. As we know, when there is a power of 0, the answer is 1. So always remember it. 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. 3 raised to the power 0 means 1. 4 raised to the power 0 means 1. Now add them. Answer is 3. Okay. Here also 2 raised to the power 0 means 1. 3 raised to the power 0 means 1. And 4 raised to the power 0 means 1. Now multiply them. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, and the answer is 1. And here also 3 raised to the power 0 means 1, 2 raised to the power 0 means 1, and 5 raised to the power 0 means 1. Now add them. 1 plus 1, 2, and 1. 2 ones are 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Now take question number 9. In this question, this number, and this number, these numbers are in simplest form, but 4 is not in the simplest form. So first we will solve it and change it into the simplest form. So 2 raised to the power 8, a raised to the power 5. What we can write to it? We can write it like this: 2 raised to the power 2 and the power 3, a raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to the power 8, 8 raised to the power 5. Now multiply the power. 2 3 ja 6 and 8 raised to the power 3. Now just minus the powers since they are in divisional form. So 8 minus 6 into 5 minus 3. 2 raised to the power 2 and a raised to the power 2. So this is the answer of this question, or we can also write it in this form: 2a whole square. Now take question number 10. Since they are in divisional form, so powers will be minus. A raised to the power 5 minus 3, and it will remain same. Now a raised to the power 2 and a raised to the power 8. Since there is multiplication sign, so we will add the powers. A raised to the power 2 plus 8, and the answer is a raised to the power 10. Okay. Now take question number 11. In this question, all the numbers are already in the simplest form, so we will solve them directly. 4 raised to the power 5 minus 5, a raised to the power 8 minus 5, b raised to the power 3 minus 2. So 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 5 3, b 3 minus 2 1. So there is no need to write. 4 raised to the power 0 means 1, a raised to the power 3, and b. It doesn't have any meaning, and answer is a raised to the power 3 into b. Now take the last question. 2 raised to the power 3 and 2 whole square is 2. So it is also in the simplest form, and here is multiplication sign. So we will add the powers. 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1, 3 and 1, and the whole power is 2. Now power is 4 and it is 2. Now multiply the powers. 4 into 2, and the answer is 4 2s are 8.